Kendo wang'e motenore kod weche mamoko. Riwruok mar Lakteche mar KMPDU ywak ni sirkal pok oikore makare mar twak kodgi kata odoko ni gin giwegi to gisechiwore mar lalruok mar tieko ng'anyo. Gimero ni gin kod geno ni romo ma gidhi timo sani gi sirkal dhi kelo winjruok madhi miyo gidogi e tich machiegni. Romo ma osebedo ka timore e kinde riwruogno kod sirkal ok osenyuolo olemo moro amora ka giywak ni chal ni apisas mag piny owacho ok ochiwore mar keto winjruok gi Lakteche kata bang' doho golo chik mondo tim kamano.
Initially, we wanted that by the time we were ending strike, we have those doctors already employed. We didn't want this process, so those are some of the things. Yes. And also, even the basic salary areas, we wanted the instant. But now they'll offer they'll offer paying in installments. So because we are looking at aspect of compromising, that's the thing. That's what I was just saying. We have not saying everything now. We can compromise and have a timeline of the implementation of some of these things, but with clear-cut plan. We hope these conciliations will bring something.
I know that there's somebody here watching this evening, hoping that this strike can end soon so they can go and get that surgery that they've been waiting for. So that's what I hope, that even as we go this evening to meet the governors and the other government officials, they'll be coming with that kind of similar tone, a tone of bringing and bridging the gap.
Como